Dami na akong alam, pero madami pa akong pwedeng malaman. That's right. Buffet for lunch is amazing, but you know that you have limits. You cannot eat everything. But when it comes to learning, the buffet is unlimited. At okay lang maging matakaw when it comes to learning. And so you tell to yourself, I want to stretch as much as I can. I'm also saying this because if you think you're already number one and you tell to yourself, ooh, I'm at the peak. I'm at the top, highest position in my company. Can I remind you that the reason why you are number one is probably because you haven't yet met that other person who will finally tell it to your face, John, that's not number one. May mas mataas pa po dyan. Ito po ang mas mataas pang peak. An example of this is when, and this is me as a motivational speaker who will say, I do not agree when people say you should not compare yourself versus others. You should only race against yourself. Have you heard that? I disagree with that. Why?